Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 4848, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows. What's the meaning of angel number 4848? What's the symbolism of 4848? What is the spiritual significance? What does the 4848 mean for love? What does 4848 mean for twin flames? What does 4848 for manifestation? How does angel number 4848 affect finances? What does 4848 mean for former relationships? How does 4848 guide your work life? What are the strengths of angel number 4848? What are the weaknesses of angel number 4848? What's the meaning of angel number 4848? Angel number 4848 is a powerful message of balance between material stability and spiritual growth. The number 4 signifies structure, discipline, and hard work, while the number 8 represents abundance, success, and karmic cycles. Seeing 4848 often means you're on the path to achieving long-term success, but it requires staying grounded and focused. Your angels encourage you to continue building strong foundations while remaining open to divine guidance. It also reflects the importance of learning from life's lessons and using past experiences to create a more empowered, prosperous future. You are supported in both your practical and spiritual pursuit. What's the symbolism of angel number 4848? The symbolism of 4848 lies in its repeating pattern of stability and reward. Number 4 represents strong foundations, responsibility, and determination. Number 8 symbolizes infinite potential, personal power, and material wealth. Together, 4848 reflects a cycle where dedication leads to reward and spiritual growth aligns with financial or personal success. It symbolizes a harmony between hard work and divine timing, encouraging trust in the process. This number also highlights the importance of karma. What you give out will return. Symbolically, it reminds you that structure and integrity will guide you through transitions and bring abundant outcomes. What is the angel number 4848 spiritual significance? Spiritually, angel number 4848 emphasizes grounding your spiritual beliefs in practical action. It encourages spiritual responsibility, using your inner wisdom to influence how you work, build, and serve others. The number 4 supports spiritual discipline, like daily rituals or consistent self-reflection, while the 8 relates to spiritual abundance and life purpose. 4848 is a call to live your soul mission with integrity and perseverance. You are being guided to clear old karmic patterns, align your energy with divine truth, and manifest your higher potential. This number confirms you're on a spiritual journey where growth is both inward and materially visible. What does the angel number 4848 mean for love? In love, 4848 emphasizes balance, loyalty, and emotional responsibility. The number 4 speaks to commitment, stability, and building lasting connections, while the number 8 highlights mutual respect, power dynamics, and karmic balance. This number encourages you to bring honesty and effort into relationships while addressing imbalances in give and take. For singles, it suggests taking love seriously, seeking a grounded, long-term partner. If you're in a relationship, 4848 asks whether both people are growing and supporting each other equally. It can also indicate that any emotional lessons learned are preparing you for more meaningful, rewarding love rooted in spiritual alignment. What does angel number 4848 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, angel number 4848 represents a pivotal time for growth and energetic alignment. It highlights karmic lessons, cycles of separation and union, and the importance of emotional balance. The 4s call for patience and personal development, while the 8s suggest both individuals are evolving in power and maturity. If in separation, 4848 encourages both flames to do the inner work necessary for union. If united, it indicates the relationship has the potential to be spiritually fulfilling and materially supportive. Twin flames under this number are urged to break old cycles and build a new, balanced dynamic together. What does angel number 4848 for manifestation? Angel number 4848 is a strong sign that your manifestations are taking form through persistence and alignment. The 4 emphasizes the need for strategic planning and grounded action, while the 8 brings the energy of abundance and reward. Together, they encourage you to stay focused, keep working hard, and trust the universal timing. This number also reminds you to manifest from a place of purpose, not greed. You are being supported in turning spiritual goals into tangible results. Stay disciplined and maintain positive thought. Manifestation is happening when your intentions match your soul's highest good. How does angel number 4848 affect finances? Angel number 4848 is an excellent sign for financial growth and stability. It encourages disciplined money management, long-term planning, and ethical decision-making. The 4s represent structure and responsibility, urging you to budget, save, and invest wisely. The 8s symbolize material abundance, business success, and karmic return, implying financial blessings are either arriving or on the horizon. If you've been working diligently, this number confirms that financial rewards will follow. However, it also reminds you to handle money with integrity. Avoid shortcuts or greed. Sustainable wealth comes when your financial goals align with your values and life purpose. What does angel number 4848 mean for former relationships? In the context of past relationships, 4848 signals closure, healing, and growth. The 4s suggest lessons about commitment, boundaries, and emotional maturity, while the 8s point to karmic resolution. This number may appear when you're being encouraged to reflect on past patterns, release resentment, and find meaning in your experiences. It's a reminder that every relationship serves your spiritual evolution, even those that ended painfully. 4848 indicates that letting go of the past will free you to manifest healthier relationships. Your angels are helping you clear emotional baggage so you can rebuild with greater clarity and emotional strength. How does angel number 4848 guide your work life? Angel number 4848 guides your work life by promoting dedication, leadership, and long-term planning. The 4s support perseverance, reliability, and attention to detail, while the 8s bring confidence, ambition, and professional success. You may be on the verge of career advancement or considering a new path aligned with your life purpose. This number urges you to lead with integrity and focus on goals that offer both material reward and personal fulfillment. It's a sign that your efforts will be noticed and rewarded, especially if you remain ethical and strategic. Trust your intuition when making work-related decisions. What are the strengths of angel number 4848? The strengths of angel number 4848 include resilience, focus, and the ability to balance spiritual insight with practical action. Individuals influenced by this number tend to be hard workers, natural planners, and wise decision-makers. They are spiritually aware yet grounded, often serving as stabilizing forces in relationships or communities. Their ambition is rooted in meaningful goals, not superficial gain. They are also emotionally mature and capable of learning from life's challenges. With a strong sense of purpose, they often inspire others through their discipline and spiritual clarity. 4848's greatest strength is its combination of perseverance and higher awareness. What are the weaknesses of angel number 4848? Despite its strengths, 4848 can bring challenges like rigidity, over-control, or fear of change. The influence of May 4th lead to stubbornness or resistance to emotional vulnerability, while the energy of 8 can manifest as workaholism or obsession with material success. People under this number might struggle with trusting others or taking risks, preferring structure even when growth requires flexibility. There's also a